We are going somewhere very special today, but first we are going to head quickly for breakfast. As usual, we are running late.
Actually, not my fault. It was these two. These two are still asleep. I went for a run, so yes, these two are still fast asleep at 8 o'clock. So Mila's not been feeling well, but I'm guessing today we're feeling better, seeing as though we're on the crisps for breakfast. Here it is. Here comes the bus. You ready to get on the bus?
Where's Mom?
I don't usually feed her standing up, but we're just waiting for a baby chair and we're in a bit of a hurry. Where is she? Yeah, ready, let's go!
Next up is we have to head to reception to grab snorkel gear. So by the looks of it, the thumbnail of this video is probably giving it away already, but we're still going to build it up. Can you guess where we're going?
Whoa, whoa.
Wait, the Whoa gone.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, whoa,
Oh my god, that's so cute. That's how I'm gonna call all dogs.
The way she goes.
Whoa.
She would absolutely be in heaven if she was here right now.
That was a bit of a funny one.
Whoa, whoa.
That's so cute.
Ready?
Basically, I did.
What are we going to see?
Fingers crossed we're going to see some whale sharks. We are super excited. Here we go. Thank you. But they move super fast, so fingers crossed that we get like just a little sight of them and maybe be able to get in the water with them.
Let's see.
Are you ready?
Whoa. It's a fin.
Thanks.
That's right.
A lot of people, around hundreds of people will be there swimming with only one whale shark.
Okay.
So yeah, always keep your distance and please do not touch the whale, okay?
Gotta get a glimpse of the whale shark, but it's pretty deep. Pretty deep. Man, they're so big. So big.
Did you see the whale?
Can't see anything with my glasses. He's just like coming up to ladder. Who the hell are you? He picks it up.
There's a load of boats around trying to find the same whale shark, and every so often when you get back on the boat, after about 5 or 10 minutes, there's a big ruckus again, there's chaos everywhere, and all the boats are jumping straight back in the water and trying to find this whale shark. Let's go, let's go!
I'm gonna come with you. You gotta follow us in.
Back in, back in. This is the chaos around us. Corin is somewhere. I don't know where she is.
Yeah, saw the whale. Me and Fee saw it together, so.
You saw the whale.
so happy he's sewing.
You see the whale. And Ray. Looking after Mila.
Yes. How's Mila duty? We brought the pram on board today because we know that we were going to be out for about 4 hours, and that crosses over Mila's nap time. And she probably would have slept on the boat, but there's no like support. She could have slipped off one of the benches pretty easily. So we've just brought on her pram, tucked it in the corner, locked it, and it's just like secure, so she can have a meal, she can doze off, or she can have a snack.
Pretty successful.
Yeah, we didn't know how it was going to go, and also we didn't think that we would both be able to see it because obviously one of us has got to be with Mila, but River managed to dive in, get it, see it on the GoPro and everything, and then we stopped again and I managed to get in and see it as well. We were asking actually the guy on board who he sees them pretty much every day, he's one of the tour guides, and he has amazing footage of swimming with them, and we asked him how big the one is that we saw. He said about 5 to 7 meters. It's huge.
That is vlog over for today. We swam with whale sharks.
Yeah! Bucket list tick right there.
So we have 3 more weeks, so it is a possibility that we may do it again, or even go on another excursion to see other animals.
Yeah. So right now we have 2 days left at Sun Island with the rest of the gang, 2 more days of shooting, and then we will be off for 3 more weeks in the Maldives, just us.
And just to touch on Mila on the boat, I think we were out for a total of about 3 hours. And she done amazing. She was fine. She was loving it.
Obviously she didn't get to get in the water and swim this time because it was pretty choppy.
Yeah.
And it's really deep, obviously.
Also, as you've seen, like, it is basically just a free-for-all. Like,
Yeah.
so hectic. Probably about 100 people all in all, like, just chasing after this whale shark, which, yeah, I don't know.
Wasn't quite how we imagined it.
Yeah. One of those Instagram versus reality moments for sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys have made it this far, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, drop us a comment, share it if you wish. We really appreciate you guys watching it, and we will see you in a couple of days.